For storyboarding, you can sketch out your storyboards on a piece of paper, but then you want to place those sketches inside of a storyboard on the computer to make it look more professional and to make it easy on your client or your boss to read the notes that go with the sketches. Let me show you how to do it. In Photoshop, get the lasso tool and you can select around the sketch, do a Command C to copy that, open the template in Photoshop, and do a Command V to paste that selection from your drawing into the template. Drawing might be too big, so do a Command T to transform and make the image smaller, drag it up to the first panel area, and press return. Get the move tool, and we can move it into the area that you want it. Now, if you really want to make it look like it's professional, on that layer, we'll do an image adjustments, and we'll desaturize the color of that sketch to be black and white. And then the next thing we're going to do a command click on the thumbnail. That selects whatever is on that layer. At the bottom of the layers panel, click on the black and white circle and click on levels. A levels adjustments layer will pop up, only affecting that area that we selected. We can bring the white tab to the left to lighten the sketch so it looks like it's as light as the template, but then use the black tab to bring to the right to darken areas. Pretty cool, right? Right click on the levels and then merge down. And now that layer looks like it's part of the template. Get the type tool, go to Windows, Character to open up the character panel, click on the color, and let's get maybe like a blue color. Click OK. For the font, let's go with an Arial. Click on Left Justify, click where it says Camera Notes, and we can write Close-Up, because this is a close-up shot of a wheel. Get the Move tool, do a Command T to transform to make our words a little bit smaller so it looks the right size in that area, and press Return. With the Move tool, you can do a Option Drag to duplicate the text, and then double click on the text, and you can write your notes about that scene. At this point, you want to save this PSD. Do a File, Save As, put your last name, underscore, Storyboard. In the Format dropdown, click on Photoshop. So now your file is a PSD, a Photoshop document. And then you want to save that wherever your files are. Now this is the PSD that has the layers in it. You want to keep that for yourself. You don't want to give this to your client or your boss. When you're all done with this, what you want to do is File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. This will make it into just one layer that anybody can open. Click on Export as PNG, put it on your desktop for now, click Save, and then you can send that to whoever you need to send it to, and then you can delete that file because that's not the original file. The original file is this PSD. You want to keep this PSD housed in your files, so if your client or your boss comes to you a week from now or a month from now and says, hey, we need to fix that storyboard, you can open up the PSD and you can edit it.